Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming accounts and creating a backup so you can undo changes if needed. Open Google Contacts and make sure you're signed into the Google account holding most contacts. Once done, export a VCF backup or use the device backup so you have a copy. Next, make sure the app displays all accounts in the contacts view. If contacts are hidden by account filters, you'll miss duplicates. Now go to the menu to access the merge tools and begin. Once the merge tool runs, you'll see suggestions grouped by name or number. This is where you act. Review each suggestion. When you trust it, tap Merge to combine entries and preserve the most complete fields. Make sure to inspect phone numbers and emails so you don't lose alternate addresses. If Google doesn't suggest a pair, open one contact and use Edit then Link or Join to manually combine records. Doing this carefully avoids accidental loss of unique info. Finish by forcing a sync so all devices reflect merges. Go to Settings, Accounts, Google Sync Contacts and run it. If duplicates persist, clear the Contacts or Contacts Storage app cache and resync. This often refreshes the view. As a last resort, delete contacts and re-import the exported VCF you made earlier. That rebuilds a clean set. If anything goes wrong, restore from the VCF backup. Make sure to keep that backup until you verify every contact.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.